grace will carry you where strength cannot. There are seasons when your faith feels tired and your heart feels overwhelmed by the pressures of life. Yet God never intended for you to survive by human strength alone. His grace becomes the divine power that carries believers through impossible situations. Sometimes you may feel weak, but weakness does not disqualify you from God's purpose. In fact, many of God's greatest miracles happen when human ability reaches its limit. Grace steps in where strength ends. Do not fear the process you are in. God is still sustaining you behind the scenes. What should have broken you did not destroy you, because grace has been holding you together all along. Even now, heaven is releasing strength for your next step. God bless you.